What's the difference between an RRSP, a TFSA, and a traditional savings account? Here we go, real quick. An RRSP is a registered retirement savings account that allows you to put money in for long-term investment and reduces your taxable income for the year. Your tax-free savings account, your TFSA. This is another account that allows you to put money for long-term investment for your retirement, but it's after-tax money. So when you put money into this, you can't claim it on your annual taxes. This money is the stuff that you've got in your bank account, you just transfer it over. The benefit of a TFSA is that when you pull money out of it, 20 years, 30 years down in the future when you retire, you do not pay tax on that money. You do pay tax on your RRSP money in the future. A savings account. You put money into a savings account and it starts making tons of money, you have to pay tax on that. That is not a tax haven, a tax shelter. Of these three investment platforms, the savings account is just high interest. You can't control that one. But your TFSA and your RRSP, you can work with your financial institution to purchase mutual funds, or you can set up a self-directed account and get a bigger platform so that you can buy perhaps stocks and bonds and mutual funds from other areas of the world. So these are your options. Take advantage of them. Let's get saving for our retirement. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, hit the like button. If you want to see more videos like this, subscribe to our channel and hit the bell icon to be notified of our latest videos.